In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize branding themes in Xero. Custom branding themes control the look and feel of the documents you send from Xero, especially your invoices, things like your logo placement, colors, and the layout that your customers see. Setting this up once saves you time and keeps every invoice on brand. First, head to Xero.com. Once you're in your organization's dashboard, look to the very top left and open the organization name menu. That drop down is where you can access key configuration tools. From that menu, choose Settings. In the settings area, select Invoice Settings. This is the home for everything related to your invoice appearance and defaults. On the invoice settings page, you'll see your list of branding themes. Pick the theme you want to work with, open the options drop down on that theme and choose Edit. Now you're in the editor. Take a moment to review each section so the visuals and details match your brand. Update the theme name if you want something clearer for your team. Add or replace your logo and check that it looks sharp on screen. A transparent PNG usually delivers a clean result. Adjust alignment and spacing so your business details and the customer's address are tidy and readable. If the theme allows color choices, choose an accent that complements your logo and provides good contrast for legibility. Use plain professional document titles and make sure dates, invoice numbers, and amounts are prominent. As you edit, check any fields for standard text, such as payment instructions or terms. Keep these concise and consistent with what you actually offer: due dates, accepted payment methods, and any late fee wording. Place bank details or payment links in a spot that's easy to find but not distracting. If you see a live preview, use it to confirm that totals and tax lines are clear and that nothing important is pushed off the page. When you're happy with the changes, click Save. Saving applies the updates to that branding theme, and any future invoices that use this theme will reflect your new look. If you use multiple themes for different brands or regions, repeat this process on each one to maintain a consistent professional appearance. That's it. You've navigated to invoice settings, selected your branding theme, edited the visuals and text to match your brand, and saved your work. With a polished theme in place, sending great looking invoices becomes effortless.